Hi, in today's video I'm going to share with you a package I ordered from the Ember Pearl Company on Etsy, and then I'll demonstrate how to use it. Let's get started. So like I said, this package is from Ember Pearl Company, and I ordered the Blue Dusk Paint by Number kit, and it came in this envelope. I'm gonna go ahead and open it with you guys and see what is all included. That's cute. So it comes in this really cute bag that says Ember Pearl Company Paint by Numbers, and it's stamped, and then it's got this tag on it, and then when we open it up, inside we have the color paints and some directions. There's some mounting tabs, 2 different paint brushes, a note: Jennifer, your order made my day. I hope your new kit makes yours. Thank you for supporting my small business. Happy painting, Jackie. That is so sweet. I love whenever there's a note. And then a circular wooden piece with a pre-drawn painting and the numbers that correlate. This is so cool. Okay, so I'm gonna open this up here. And here are the colors and my brushes. And then the directions: 1, gather a small jar of clean water, a dry towel, and the contents of the Ember Pearl Company kit. 2, gently stir the paints. Begin painting by matching the numbers on the wood to the corresponding numbers on the labeled paint pots. 3, style your completed piece of artwork on a shelf or use the enclosed command strips. That is such a thoughtful thing to do, to hang it on the wall. Tips and tricks: paint 2 layers to create a bolder and brighter colors. If your paint feels too thick, add a drop of water to the paint pot and then gently stir the paint with the plastic end of your brush. The other end. Water helps thin out the acrylic paint. Don't worry if you paint outside the lines, just allow the paint to dry and use the bordering color to layer over it. So there you go. And then a little picture of how it should be when you're finished. Very cool. I'm so excited to give this a try. I think I'm going to start with the lightest color first, which is in the number 5. So open that up. So yeah, I was on Etsy, how I stumbled across this company, and I was just looking up different craft kits, and then I saw the paint by number, which I've been wanting. I kind of looked at a couple of paint by numbers at the store. My daughter got one and it was really fun, really cute. But I liked that this was like on wood and it was circular, a different shape, and I just kind of like that for displaying the artwork. I thought it was really pretty, and this company had a lot of different options, and I went kind of with this mountain looking theme because our family trip this year was to Colorado, and it was the first time my daughter got to see mountains, and so I was like, I'm kind of in a mountainy mood, we'll pick that one. But here I'll show you some of the other options that she has in her store. And when I was looking at it, this kit was, not just this kit, but she had all her kits marked down on sale. And so I was like, perfect, I will go ahead and pick up one of these. Okay, I don't really want to go over the line, so I'm gonna switch to the smaller brush. I can see why you'd want to do more than one coat the wood kind of soaks it up. So I think my number 4 color looks like the next lightest one. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that one next. I think I might make a series of videos on highlighting an Etsy shop that I've enjoyed products from. I'll put a card up here for the last one I did for like a Bible journaling kit. And that was really fun, so I'll share that. But I have another package coming from another Etsy shop here soon, and I'll share that with you guys once I get it. So yeah, I think this might be a series I do. These aren't sponsored, they're just shops that I came across and I liked myself, and so I ordered their product just to see what it's like, and I thought I'd just share it with you and let you know my thoughts on it. So here it is with one coat. I actually like it with one coat because you can still kind of see the wood grain, and I believe I've painted over the numbers well enough that you can't see them. So I'm gonna let this dry and then I'm going to put it up. I really liked it. I liked that it was simple and it was quick. And I know you can buy wood circle kits, I believe, from other, chain stores, but I like to support small business, and so to me, this was a great kit, and I highly suggest, if you're interested in a paint by number, that you go check out Ember Pearl Company on Etsy and grab yourself a paint by number kit. In the comments below, let me know of any other Etsy shops you guys enjoy that I should check out, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!
If you would like to see more, please like and subscribe. And don't forget to hit the bell so you don't miss a video.